This is the new little David Case Locker 60, also known as the CAC60 tape cartridge. It's our new and improved from the CAC50 tape cartridge. And I'm just going to walk you through it and go through some of the new features that are very helpful to the user, and I'll explain that to you throughout this. I'll start from the top. Right off the bat, what I want you to take a look at as I pull this tension bar out of the way is the tape core. The tape core is a little different. We used to have a full steel tape core, but what we've done here is we have a plastic tape core with an expandable and retractable core. The problem with this is every single tape company has a different core size, and sometimes you're literally stepping and pressing down on tape and ruining your tape roll just to get it onto the core. What we've done here is if you turn this core, it expands out. So when you put your tape core on, you retract it all the way, it slides on very nicely. Twist that closed, and your tape is tightly held on. So you have a very snug fit on your tape core. Will fit any size tape core and make placing tape on your tape head as easy as possible. The next new feature that you'll see on this tape head is our tension bar that I've pulled out of the way right now. When you put your tape onto the core, you put this tension bar on, and what that tension bar does is it places consistent tension against that roll of tape. So now you don't have to worry about changing your tension in your tape roller, whereas throughout the roll of your tape, your tension is going to change if you do it that way. With this, you have a consistent tension throughout the whole roll of tape, allowing you to use the whole roll of tape without any changes in tension. We've stuck with the same easy side thread design. If you follow these arrows down to thread your tape, it's extremely quick. All through the side, it's all open, easy for the operator. You're not splicing tape anymore, which is wasting tape, and you're also able to quickly place your tape on there. Next thing I'd like to roll down to here is the rollers. You can see these red rollers, and this is kind of, there's two things that I'm going to show you here, the blades and the rollers. And what we've done here is taken a big step for maintenance. We found that there's a lot of dollars that are involved in maintaining a machine and a lot of time. So what we've done is taken two of the biggest parts of the tape head that are changed over, the rollers and the blades, and we made it easy to change. You can see there's just a spring-loaded pin. We can take this off in a matter of seconds. Before, you had a Loctited roller that would take 15 minutes to change. So we've virtually taken all maintenance away from changing a roller. As I move on to the blades, you can see once I move my lockable knife guard, we do that for safety. As you can see right here, there's a lock that engages. It doesn't allow my knife guard to open up until my rollers are engaged. Then I can move this out of the way, hold it in place, and we've got a spring-loaded pin which just allows our blade to come right off. Again, something that used to take 15 minutes is now taking 15 seconds. Very wonderful thing. The final thing, and I think the most impressive engineering feat when it comes to this machine is, or the tape head, I'm sorry, is the speed at which we can run. We're running up to 180 feet that we've tested on this tape head. Now the problem with that is we used to have to pneumatically drive this tape head, but now we actually have a dual spring system. And you can see right on the top, we have a very light spring. And the reason we have that is because people are moving towards recycled corrugate and weak corrugate. You're not getting the quality of corrugate that you used to. So it needs to have a very light touch at the beginning. So as that roller goes, as it hits the front of the roller, you have a very nice light touch. Now the problem with having a light roller only is that your rear roller will not catch up to the tape tab in the back. So what we've done is we've incorporated on a shaft a very stiff spring. So as our roller comes down, right at the very end, where your rollers are hitting the corner of the box, right at the edge of the box, which is the strongest portion of your box, it actually loads itself with a lot of energy that allows that tape head to get that roller to come and catch your rear tab. So that's the CAC60. For more information on the CAC60 and the rest of Loveshaw's products, please visit www.loveshaw.com. Thanks, have a great day.